it is important to exchange in every sector, to have also collaboration, cooperation in this setting also. We have a Muslim community in Suriname who wants to know international issues, how to develop within the Muslim community, how to develop also through this organization. I think I will introduce ICL also in Suriname. So I have so many appointments with the government of Indonesia, not only, but also with private sectors, NGOs, many investors who are interested also to be part, to be doing business with Suriname. I hope also with ICL we will have something. So I think we should work together. I have to discuss more with